Endomorph intermittent fasting is a dietary approach that's specifically designed for individuals who have a slower metabolism and a higher tendency to store fat, making it harder for them to lose weight. Here are some steps to follow to do endomorph intermittent fasting. Step 1. Choose an intermittent fasting method that works for you. Start with shorter fasting periods and gradually increase them. Step 2. Determine your eating window. For example, if you're doing the 16/8 method, you may choose to eat during an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Step 3. Plan your meals. During your eating window, it's important to eat nutrient-dense foods that will fuel your body and promote weight loss. Choose nutrient-dense foods high in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks that are high in calories and low in nutrients. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and other hydrating fluids during your fasting and eating periods will keep your body functioning properly and reduce cravings. Step 5. Get regular exercise. Regular exercise, such as resistance training and high-intensity interval training, can help endomorphs build muscle and boost their metabolism. Remember to approach endomorph intermittent fasting gradually and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary approach. With consistent effort and healthy habits, endomorph intermittent fasting can be an effective way to promote weight loss and improve overall health.